Guys, today I will show you how to make simple 3.7 volt battery charger. For that we need one 3003 NPN transistor, a 100 NF capacitor, a red LED, 10 ohms 1 watt resistor, and a 1 kilo ohms resistor. Now let's solder all components together to make this circuit. Pin 1 is base. Pin 2 is collector. Pin 3 is emitter. Now take 1 watt 10 ohms resistor and bend its leg like this. Solder it on base and collector of transistor. Take 100 NF capacitor and solder on emitter of transistor. Solder red LED positive on base of transistor. Now solder 1 kilo ohm resistor between LED negative and 100 NF capacitor. I recommend to make this circuit on 0 PCB. Here a circuit diagram, download link is in description. Our circuit is almost complete. Now we will connect input 5 volts through USB. Solder input negative wire on resistor and capacitor. And solder input positive wire on collector of transistor. Now plug in the USB in mobile charger. Now our circuit is on, and I will connect multimeter to check output voltage. As you can see, output voltage is 4.5 volts. For easy operation I will use this battery holder and this 18650 lithium battery that we will charge. First let's check battery voltage. It has 3.27 volts charge left. Now connect battery negative wire with input negative directly. And set multimeter on ampere measurement mode to check how much current battery will draw from the circuit. Output positive is emitter of transistor. You can see it draws about 600 mA current, as the circuit provides constant current that is important for the safety of the battery. Now let's directly solder positive of the battery with emitter of transistor. It will take around 2 hours to get fully charged. I will connect again multimeter to track voltage. As you can see, voltage is slowly increasing. Now after 2 hours it just stopped here at 4.27 volts, and now I will disconnect the battery. Now let's check voltage of battery. As you can see, it is 4.24 volts. So it is fully charged. This circuit is very simple and safe to charge these lithium batteries. For more useful projects, subscribe the channel and also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.